Alright guys, here we go. 2016 National Treasures Football, left side serial numbers box. This is our 2-boxer number 10. We did number 9 2 nights ago. They were not that great, so hopefully there's something really nice landing in one of these 2 boxes. Good luck everybody. Here we go. 6 times on the draw to get your numbers. We got Toshiaki on the bottom, Kelbrandt 215 on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and final hit. Cross fingers, hole winners. 6. FFJ EMT on the top. And J-Dog number 99. Alright, there's the top 33. FFJ down to J-Dog. $34 to $66, unknown 409 to FF Wise Guy. And 67 to 99, Blitz WRX to J-Dog. Alright, good luck everybody. Here we go. First card, so first box looking thick. We got T.Y. Hilton, 62 of 99 for Ant 1977. Jordan Matthews, 6 of 25. That is B Money. All-decade patch, 29 out of 49. Champ Bailey. J-Dog in 29. Alright, I know I have the right list tonight. I know I've got the right list. Chris, I don't have a payment showing up from you. It's not on my list here. For 2-box random teams, number 10. 2-box random numbers, number 10. Okay, now I'm second guessing myself, but no, I definitely have the correct list here. But your name doesn't show up anywhere. It's fine. So I'm not sure. Braxton Miller, 69 of 99. It looked phase 1. Ball and patch. A triple jersey, C.J. Anderson, Jamal Charles, and Melvin Gordon, 13 of 99. That is Bayonne. Hunter Henry Jumbo Patch, 73 of 99. David Kist. Von Bell, number 34 out of 49, gold rookie auto. Unknown, 409. Kenneth Dixon, 69 of 99. Phase 1, second 69. Ozzie Newsome. Oh, that's the big boy right there. That's why. 9 out of 25. Ozzie Newsome. Toshiaki. And the book is Ezekiel Elliott, number 4 of 7. Bayonne 201. Nice. Letter patch. Rookie auto book. How sick is that? The O from Elliott. Which is strange because the O should be number 5. Just saying. If they did them in order, 1 would be E, 2 is L, 3 is L, 4 is I, O would be 5, and then the 2 T's, 6 and 7. Either way. Pretty nice. There you go. A Zeke letter book. I'll take a picture of that one, so we'll leave this out. Bayonne. Alright. Box 1. It is Panini. We do need to keep in mind that we are dealing with Panini here. Box 2. Doug Martin, 61 of 99. J-Dog. .22 out of 49. Des Bryant. Ant, 1977. Sterling Shepard and Odell Beckham Jr. 87 of 99. That is Sterling Shepard's jersey number. Health coach. Their 2 jersey numbers combined makes 100. Wow, crazy. Carlos Hyde Jumbo Patch, 61 of 99. J-Dog, second 61 of the box. Oh, that's good. Dual swooshes, Jared Goff and Todd Gurley, number 1 of 2. FFJENT in the 1 spot. Number 6 of 25, Gary Barnidge. B Money. B Money in the Sixer. Tyler Irvin, 5 of 99. Kel Brandt, 215. Cardell Jones and Jonathan Williams, 43 out of 49. Ant, 1977. Sterling Shepard, 47 of 99 Colossal Jersey Auto. Andy Matthews. And the final card is 40 of 99 is Xavier Howard for Dennis 75. Well, that's going to do it, guys. Congrats to the lucky winners, and thanks again, everybody, for joining. Until next time, peace.